you decide to go and study Deen, check your niyyah. What is the niyyah? Why have you decided? If you have decided to take up this path on account of the prestige that is attached to the name of an alim, forget it, this is not for you. Don't do something else. If you've decided to take up this path in order to preserve Allah's deen, وَلِتَكُونَ كَلِمَةُ اللَّهِ هِيَ الْعُلْيَا, Bismillah, by all means go ahead. Check the niyyah first of all. Your second point is that where do you receive that knowledge from? Knowledge of deen, the ma'lumat, the factual knowledge about deen, you can get anywhere these days. You can have it from a Muslim as well as from a non-Muslim. You can have it at a university as well as a traditional madrasa. But in this deen of ours, we've been taught by our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam and by the Salaf al-Salih that إِنَّ هَذَا الْعِلْمَ دِينٌ فَانْظُرُوا عَمَّنْ تَأْخُذُونَ دِينَكُمْ. You take your knowledge from that person whose heart is imbued with Iman, whose heart is imbued with the love of Allah Ta'ala and the love of Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.